Welcome back, everybody. It's Jerry here with the Happy Hootie here again today. I made a huge mistake. Well, not huge, but it is a mistake nonetheless. We were digging a trench so I could run some underground cable to our swimming pool, and I forgot that I had buried a hose to run water to the pool a few years ago. Now, I don't have to dig this whole hose up. They actually sell these little repair kits. They've got a couple of different kinds. This is probably on the high end of what you would need because it actually has a coupling that allows you to undo it again. They sell one with 2 barbs that have 2 male ends that you can clamp around this. This is what I happen to have. You can purchase this at Menards or from Amazon, and we'll put the link right down below in case you need to. I want to say it was about $5. So what this kit consists of are 4 pieces. It's got these 2 brass pieces that have these barbed fittings that are going to slide inside the hose. Those 2 will lock together. And then you've also got 2 of these worm drive clamps that we're going to crank down. This one uses a flat head. I've seen others that use a Phillips head, and other ones that you can just use a hexagonal end on the end of a screwdriver to put that together. So to fix this, what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these worm drive clamps and we're going to slide it over first, over the end, and then use either side of this to shove that barbed edge into the broken piece of hose. Now you can cut this hose back if you want to, but it's not really necessary. You just have to get it back far enough that you can then put this worm drive clamp over the end of those barbs. And we're going to go ahead and just crank down on this part here. The other side, we're going to do the same thing. Put a worm drive clamp over it. We use the female end here. I'm going to shove it in this broken ripped part here. Shove it all the way down in there, all the way as far as I can get it. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing and crank down on this worm drive piece right here. The last thing we're going to do is make sure that that seal is down in there good, so that when this goes together it makes a good connection. And then you're just going to screw it together to make that final connection like you would a normal garden hose down there in the middle. Now that we've got that thing all put back together, you got to fire it up, test it out, and make sure it doesn't leak, and we'll bury it back in the ground and we'll be good to go. We got it all tested out. It seems to be working great. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe for more great tips.